So welcome to the video. This is fat burning workout which you can do at home, and this is official video of Molri training. Okay, my name is Gaurav. This is 10 minutes home based workout, cardio based workout which you can do. And by the way, इसके लिए आपको कोई equipment नहीं चाहिए. And protocol जो follow होगा वो 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. So basically हम 40 seconds exercise करेंगे, 20 seconds rest period लेंगे. जो rest period है उसमें आपको exercise technique समझाऊंगा. So make sure to learn the technique first and then apply it in 40 seconds. So पहले जो exercise है वो है mountain climber, slow mountain climber है. Basically हम fast नहीं करेंगे. So first exercise में just make sure कि जब आप कर रहे हैं, okay, so इस पोजीशन पे आएंगे like this, body forward. And अपने बैक ओवर आर्च करेंगे, ग्लूट को स्क्वीज करेंगे, and then 1 and then 2. Okay, so this is your first exercise, mountain climber. So apply it 40 seconds. Let's go. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Just make sure to inhale and exhale. Don't hold your breath. Very good. Keep moving. So this is your cardio based workout, जहाँ पे आपको कोई इक्विपमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. आप बिना इक्विपमेंट के कहीं भी कर सकते हैं इसको. At home, at gym. So keep moving. Half done. Very good. 40 seconds protocol. Perfect. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So yeah, this is real time workout. Basically यहाँ पे मैं आपके साथ workout करूँगा, आपको teach भी करूँगा technique. So you're gonna follow the same workout with me. Okay. So let's move to the next one, which is squats plus knee up. So करना कैसे exactly? इस पोजीशन पे जाएंगे. ओके, वी गोना स्क्वाट लाइक दिस, देन अप 1 एंड देन गो डाउन एंड देन 2. सिंपल बेसिक, ये लो इम्पैक्ट बेस वर्कआउट है. सो इफ यू आर बिगनर यू कैन फॉलो दिस वर्कआउट. ट्रस्ट मी, इससे बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट मिलेंगे आपको. सो लेट्स गो 40 सेकंड्स ऑफ स्क्वाट्स नी अप. आई एम गोना डू फ्रॉम द साइड फर्स्ट, जिससे आपको आइडिया एक्जैक्टली स्क्वाट कैसे करना है. पुश इट बैक लाइक दिस एंड देन 1 अप. ओके, सो 1. वेरी गुड. Perfect. Keep moving. 20 seconds done, half done. Just make sure अगर आपको नी में पेन होता है, just go for the half partial rep and just 1 and then just go for this one. Okay. Either way, try to go full down and up. Squeeze the oblique muscle when you're pushing your leg up. Exhale. Give me 8 more seconds. Very good. Great cardio based workout. HIIT workout where you will burn fat. Let's go. That's your second exercise. Great exercise for your, quads muscle. And then we're gonna shift to the third exercise, जिसमें हम करेंगे side plank. Okay, so करना कैसे exactly? इस पोजीशन पे जाएंगे like this. Okay, leg को straight रखेंगे and then we're gonna lift yourself up, like आप अपने आप को उठाएंगे, hold रखेंगे. थोड़ा difficult करना है, just go down and then squeeze up. Okay, so let's go. 20 seconds each side. Just make sure don't slouch. Slouch करेंगे, chest high up, अपने shoulder blades को पीछे retract करेंगे. Okay, like this and then 1. Perfect. Subscribe the channel if you are new and also make sure कि आप press करें bell icon को, because every week I put new workout videos. So मैं चाहता हूँ आप कोई miss करें, and give me a thumbs up for this like for this view. Okay, now we're gonna change the side. So yes, अगर आपको ये view पसंद आया, give me a like button, also share with your friends. Perfect. Keep moving. So if you want to burn fat, follow this workout with me. Last one and done. So yeah, that's your third exercise, which is for this side area. Oblique को target कर रहे थे हम, exhale कर रहे थे when you're going up. Squeeze करेंगे, exhale करें. Okay. Let's move to the next one, which is slow motion burpee. So exactly slow motion burpee क्या है? इसमें jump नहीं है. Okay, it's just like walk downs. Okay, so करना कैसे exactly? इसमें हम हल्का सा jump लेंगे. If you want to take it to the advanced level, simple करना है. Just go like this, partial squat करेंगे, half squat, then walk, crawl basically, and then up. Okay, squeeze the glute. If you want to go for the advanced, थोड़ा jump कर सकते हैं. That's totally up to you. Let's do it for like 40 seconds. I'm also going out of breath. You can see कि effective workout है. You can see कि मेरे को भी I can feel the burn. Inhale, squat, crawl, and then squeeze. If you want to add push-up, यहाँ पे push-up का add करना है, so आप कर सकते हैं. Then go back and then squeeze. Inhale, crawl, slow motion burpee, Inhale, scroll. Very good. So yes, keep moving. Just don't watch the video, do it with me. अगर आप थक जाते हैं, follow the easy modification. जो आप easy में कर रहा हूँ, दिखा रहा हूँ आपको, वो follow करें. Okay, that's done. We're done with the burpees. Simple है, basic है, but most effective exercise. I believe कि इससे अच्छे results मिलते हैं. Now let's move to the reverse lunge. उसमें थोड़ा water break लेंगे. और उसके बाद स्टार्ट करेंगे. हम प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो कर रहे हैं, 40 सेकंड्स ऑफ वर्क, 20 सेकंड ऑफ रेस्ट. सो आई जस्ट वांट कि आप उसी प्रोटोकॉल पे फॉलो करते रहें. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द रिवर्स लंज. करना कैसे एग्जैक्टली? इस पोजीशन पे आएंगे लाइक दिस, डाउन, देन गो बैक, देन चेंज द साइड. ओके, सो लेट्स गो. 40 सेकंड्स ऑफ रिवर्स लंज. 1 2 3, very good. 4. When you go down, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Keep moving. Very good. Keep moving. Give me 20 more seconds. You are doing great. Just don't stop. If you want to go for easy modification, just go for half. Just don't stop, okay? Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. That's a reverse lunge. Focus on your hamstring, quads, glutes. Great exercise for the lower body. Okay, now let's move to the next amazing exercise. जिसमें हम करेंगे chest को target push-ups करेंगे. थोड़ा सा variation है इसमें. Just make sure आप ठीक से इसको समझे. Okay, so करना कैसे exactly? इस पोजीशन पे जाएंगे, wide रखेंगे hands को पहले, chest push-up करेंगे, इसके लिए chest नीचे जाएगी, and then up. Okay, then close. And again wide. Okay, थोड़ा एडवांस है. If you want easy modification, just go for this one. ऊपर आए, वापस आए, चेंज करें, and then go for this one. Okay, otherwise go for best one जिसमें आपको maximum result मिलने वाला है, effective होने वाला है. Okay, and make sure don't injure yourself. Go according to your fitness level. I just don't want कि आप injure हो जाएं just because of going through the movement. Okay, let's go. Feel the tension on the chest. Inhale, and 1, and 2. Very good. Just gonna burn your tricep, chest muscle. Keep moving. Yeah, give me last one. So yeah, great exercise. Push up in and out. I believe अगर आप इसको ठीक से perform करेंगे, you're gonna feel the pressure on your core area. You're gonna feel the pressure on your chest, tricep. Amazing exercise. Now let's move to the cardio based exercise में intensity और high करेंगे, which is high knees. Okay, so let's go. 40 seconds of high knees. Just make sure if you feel knee pain, आपके है back pain है, just go for simple march. Otherwise, go for jump like this. Very good. This is 40 seconds. Inhale, exhale. This is cardio based workout, HIIT workout where you will be burning fat. If you want step by step program, अगर आपको चाहिए कि मैं आपकी help करूँ, train करूँ, आपको program दूँ step by step, go enroll for 90-day fit plan challenge जो कि molritraining.com पे है. It's a great program जहाँ मैं आपको पहले questionnaire लूँगा and then I'm going to recommend you exercise according to your fitness level. Last one and done. Great exercise. You can see I'm getting out of breath. Now let's move to the 3 more exercises. वो है stretching based exercise. Just make sure इसको आप miss नहीं करेंगे. Okay. Downward dog. Hold करेंगे. 20 seconds each exercise. Just normal basic stretching exercise. Press your heels down. You can feel the pressure on your calf muscles. And if you're following my workout, don't ever forget stretching exercise. Okay. Very good. Give me last 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now let's move to the next stretching exercise, cat camel. Like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Give me 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now last one, okay? Glute stretch. Deep glute stretch. And this is very important for the people जिनको low back stiffness है. Lower back stiffness mostly से इस exercise से relieve भी होते हैं because आपके जो glutes है just because of sitting, वो बहुत जल्दी tight हो जाते हैं. So I just want कि आप ये deep glute stretch almost daily base पे करें, okay? Hold for 10 seconds each side. Then we're gonna change the side. Pressure यहाँ पे रहेगा. ये movement है आपकी. ये basically आपका यहाँ पे आप glute को नीचे push कर रहे हैं. And you're gonna feel the pressure on your glute. So आपको जो tightness है, you will feel the tightness. Hold for 3 more seconds. And done. So yeah, that's your cardio based workout, HIIT workout, which you can do at home without any equipment. So इसमें मैंने किया एक round. If you want to complete 2 or 3 rounds according to your time, you can do it. I believe ये round enough है अगर आप इसको ठीक से perform कर रहे हैं and you are a beginner, you know exactly कैसे इसको push करना है. Learn the exercise technique and then apply it in 40 seconds protocol. And also make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Molri Training channel if you are new. Okay, thank you so much for joining. I will see you in the next video.